Alright, y'all. Welcome back to my 7 Days to Die series I'm calling The Kill Switch. This is Season 2, Episode 3, here in Alpha 19. Please hit that like button and help me develop my channel by sharing my content on your social media platform. Here we are, back at our temporary overnight base. We've got all that stuff in storage. We've got a few things here we're going to take with us, and we're going to go do another quest with the trader and try to get the tools that we need. I am making some cobblestone, and we're going to use some frames and some cobblestone and start our base. I've got the location picked out. If you guys remember from last episode, we passed through a cornfield. We're going to build our base in one of those cornfields. There's actually 4 of them there at a crossroads, and it's going to be near the crossroads in one of those fields. And that's where we're going to fight it out on Alpha 19 here and build our kill switch. You know, it's still 5:15. We hit that house. Let's go hit this one up here. It's going to be, I think, 6:05 before the trader opens up. Actually, hold your horses. Is this the place I think it is? Right up there. It is not. Well, dang. It's alright, there's still a little bit of loot here. There we go. Oh, crap! Ah! Did y'all see that? How did he do that? Is he doing breakdancing? I'll breakdance. Alright. Oh, there's somebody else. Back up here. Oh, can't do it. Alright. Oh, this guy. Hey. Oh, I almost got hit. Nope, that didn't work either. Okay, cross your fingers. Oh, we're out. Do you want to sit here and bang into this thing? Not particularly. Alright, we're going to come back with more equipment later. Did I loot that? Nope. Feathers. That's ridiculous. Alright, so much for looting that house, right? Actually, there's somebody in the back of it. We're going to have to pummel. However, no? I think there's a working stiff tools box back here. Among all the cement we're going to get to. I hear a fella. No, nobody's here. And we're not going to use that. We'll get rid of that here in a second. Yep, it's a working stiff sealed shipping crate. Does that sound like more than one? Alright, let's go back in here. Because... Wait, what? Chair. I'll scrap that for wood. Alright. What? It's like I didn't even get to use a lockpick for that thing. Oh, no. I'll have to come back to it. Alright. John's Ham radios. And a bunch of concrete. That's cool. Hey, buddy. Okay, good. Alright, this place has a door. Alright. Okay, always look up when you go into these things. There's either something or somebody. So we'll do that here in a second. Spin crate, nails. Oh, more cement. Oh, wait, you can't have enough cement ever. All right. Oh, we can get up on top. That bag. Nothing else. Oh, this is the one. What? Come back here. God, those guys can infect you, and that is not a good place to be. What time is it? 7:24. We got it. You can also walk across those wires right there. Alright. Before we go in there, let's get this bird's nest. And I'll be darned, look at my... This thing needs to be repaired. I'm glad I caught that right now. Oh, let's get rid of that lead. Paper. Scrap the chair. Scrap those. That's it, that's all we can do right now. Alright, we can't spend that time waiting for this. We just had to make it, or get it repaired. We can re-queue the cobblestone without any type of a penalty. Used to be a penalty, now there's not. Okay, we'll take that. That door is locked and barricaded, so we'll come through here. Hold somebody up. Oh wow, I've never done that. I've never knocked one of those things off. I have no idea how that could possibly have happened. That's pretty dadgum cool, if I do say so myself. You see what that was? Those are nerd glasses. That is 10% minus 10% on crafting and 10% XP gain. So we are going to wear those so we get lucky looters. Alright, this is a trap. Nope, it wasn't a trap. It usually is. Okay. Oh crap! Ugh. I got jump scared. Alright. Stamina. I need my stamina. Alright, that's enough. Yep. Are we both down? Alright, let's regain some stamina. No, let's not use the run button. I get jump scared a lot and rather easily. Just kind of that way. No toilet pistol. That sucks. Alright. Avalanche. After you know how to move and roll, you can usually get out of the way of an avalanche in one piece. Take 50% less damage from collapsing mines. I don't have any intention of collapsing a mine. However, weirder things have happened, right? Oh, this is a good find. Got me another book. No. Clothes. Cowboy hat. I'm selling that thing. Nothing in there. Anything in here useful? Yeah. We're gonna wear that. Let's see, where? No, we're gonna wear this. Scrap that. These are slightly better, so we're gonna wear these. And we're gonna scrap these. We're gonna read that. Make aloe vera seeds now. Scrap that. And when we get a chance, we're gonna scrap those. No shortage of nails in the post-apocalyptic world. I hear ya. There you are, buddy. Make sure nobody's over there in the corner. Anything over here? No. Anything over here? No. Leather couches. Those are always handy. Remember, we're trying to make a leather poncho? Actually, did we find... Yeah, we don't need the leather poncho anymore, so we'll probably just stop collecting that stuff for a little bit. Ooh, something bad happened there. They got ripped right out of their spine. Okay. This is a good house in that it's got those things. But I don't want to screw it up. Is this... That's a cooking pot. Shamway Foods. There's food in this thing, we're eating it. Alright, repair. We don't have a stone. Alright. We gotta go get a stone, for crying out loud. We can't even get out of here. Hi-ho. Hi-ho. Digging through wood we go. What the? No, 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 no. Did you see what just happened? I accidentally used my healing item. My one and only healing item. We're eating that blueberry pie right now. Alright, this can be used as a medical item and also in other things. We're still good, actually. Let's find out where we're at after that has digested. There's somebody right there. And then there's somebody. Oh, a whole lot of somebodies. No stamina. Okay. Alright, we're good. We're not infected. We got more junk that we can sell. Oh, mercy. Coffee? Coffee grounds. Alright. Alright, that thing goes. Give me a wrench. Nope. This is like horrible loot. I need some medical supplies. Okay, well, that was okay. The question is, what is downstairs? And scrap that. Scrap that. Escalaron tea, that's good if you get like bad stomach problems. I'm gonna get rid of that. There's only one of those. We're not gonna eat anything. That's good. I just don't have a gun for it. Okay. Oh, nothing down here. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go to the trader.
Meds, drugs, booze. I've got it all.
Sell, and sell. Now I'm up to 1400. Restock day is day 4, so I don't think we're buying all those. So you're gonna have much that I haven't seen already. Alright. Yeah, I sold her that stuff. Acid. No, not interested. That's 2,000. That's what I was talking about yesterday, but I can't get it. What about Wasteland 4? It's tempting. It was really tempting is that dirt bike chassis.
Thank you so much. Hey, come again.
Now, the dirt bike isn't in 7 Days to Die normally, but it's with that mod that I need to get rid of. I don't know how many times I'm going to say, hey, there's a mod I need to get rid of. That's funny. Okay, here's what we're going to do. Get rid of the beer. I'm going to eat the peas. I'm going to put these here for now. Actually, I'm going to take this down. We're going to put these up here too. And yeah, alright. So here's the plan. We're going to go build a little bit of a base, just a little bit. It might push us over the edge to another point, because right now I have 1 point available, and I'd like to have 2, and I'm really close. You see that purple bar? It's got a tiny little bit of empty on the right hand side. About right here. Yeah. Alright, first thing we're going to do is going to line up to the west, and we're going to do 9 of these blocks. Alright, this is where I'm going to show you something. Okay? One of the things about zombies is pathing, right? They are going to do their best to try to get to you. And your job is to prevent that. Alright? If you build a base and you have a square base with walls, they'll come up and beat on the walls to get in at you, because that's the easiest way to get to you. Well, unless you've got a door that is less hit points, right? They'll go for a door that's less hit points or a wall that's less hit points. If you have an entire base and you accidentally hit one of your walls and nicked it just a couple of hit points, they'll go all the way around your base to get to that wall. True story. So you got to watch out. I'm building with pillars, columns, whatever you want to call them. They cannot break out one of my pillars and keep moving up, right? If this was a solid wall or a solid structure of some kind that just has a solid mass, then they could path up to me. But this way they cannot. And I'll show you what I mean. I know it's hard to visualize what we're talking about here, but I promise you it'll make more sense. Alright, I'm going to give you an example of what I'm talking about. Alright, let's say I had a solid wall. Alright, yeah, give me that back. Alright, and let's say this is just a wall, a walled fort, right? They come up here and they'll start beating on this one so they knock it out. Then they'll beat this one out, right? And then they'll come in. Now let's say it was a solid like cube of blocks, right? They'll do that, then they'll beat on this one, knock it out, and then they'll come over. And they can path their way up if you're on a platform that way. So if you build columns, they can knock out a column, but they still can't path their way up to you. And if you pay attention to your block placement, have enough supports, then they can knock out several of these before there's ever a problem. Okay? So you just got to be a little smart with how you build your base. Okay? So I'm going to go back here. We're going to have our platform 5 high, and that way the zombies can't stack up and hit it, because they can only stack 2 high. One zombie can stand on another zombie's head, and that's it. And that accounts for that. So I'll have 4 blocks before my platform. I'd upgrade all that. Alright, so this is going to be the front door, right up here, and I'll show you how that's going to work. That's going to be the back door now. I say front door, we're not going to use the front door. We always use the back door. Front door is for zombies, because zombies need to be invited in. If they're not invited in, they won't come and visit. And we really, really need zombies to come and visit. That's how we're going to level up, along with crafting, or building, a little bit of crafting. We're getting pretty close to actually leveling up from this a second time. I'm pretty happy about that. I think we'll actually do it. I think we'll level up a second time. Maybe not a third time, but a second time indeed. Alright. Now, with this horde that we're going to experience on the 7th day, I doubt there'll be birds. I doubt there'll be cops. There probably won't even be angry tourists. But there's going to be, and there won't be any radiateds or demos or anything like that. But there's going to be, you know, I don't know, there might be some of those bald guys that are all angry and stuff. Walk like they got a chip on their shoulder. Might be some of those guys. They're a little harder to kill than some of the others, I think. I don't know if there'll be any like hard hat zombies. Alright. Boom. Boom. I hear a dog. Let's make those ladders. It's a wolf, actually. It's fighting a zombie. Craft, craft, craft. Yeah, he's over there. Dang it, we're gonna have to be really careful. Those guys are dangerous. Not even just a little bit, I mean like a lot. Alright, well, we don't got all day. And we will actually level up. It's going to be fantastic. Need a couple more dug out. He's still over there. Dogs are particularly, how would you say, dangerous? Alright. Stairs. Alright. Blocks. Oh, give me that back. He's all over the place, isn't he? Try not to fall off this thing. Alright, this is going to be plates now. No. Plates. Alright. There. And advanced rotation. Alright, and this has got to be 4 high so that they don't jump on top of each other and cause problems. I think I'm going to have to make 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, let's just do this real quick. I know about that. Advanced rotation. That was it. Alright. That was it. That was it. And then that's going to be some special blocks that we'll get to later. Actually, I'll just make them. Recipes, flagstone block, craft, craft. Hopefully I get this right. What's this one? Advanced. That's it. Is that it? That's it. Alright. Now this one. No. That sure might be it. It's like... Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Okay. Alright, that's nice and upgraded. Holy crap. We got rocks. 24. Okay. Let's go ahead and repair this. Wow. Let's eat this. Use and this. Use and this. Use that. This is amazing. Hey guys, how you doing? You gonna come up here and visit me? Hey look, this is proof of concept right here. Alright, so goodbye. Get off there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get that other plate up there so there's something jumping up here. This is how this works. Get down from there. I don't like that at all. I gotta get this place up there. See what I meant by their pathing? They think they can get to me easier. Because there's no block here, by jumping up and smacking the upper block. There's a nurse. But the first horde of zombies on horde. There we go. Right? Won't be much tougher than that little wandering pack of zombies. I mean, really, they won't. Anybody drop me any loot? I didn't hear anything. No. Okay. Oh, we need wood. The wolf is over there. Oh, we got it a good hit. Jerk. And this is why we don't go out at night early in the game. We are mostly dead. Okay, you can drink some water. Just throw this crap out. This. So we are infected. We have a concussion. With a concussion, we can use a painkiller. Oh, we do have some. Okay. We don't have anything for the infection, but it's going to be okay by the time tomorrow comes. Yeah, we should be okay until tomorrow. So, once again, actually we'll just take these, and we're going to put down some chests. Actually, what we're going to do is make some wood frame blocks again. Okay, down here, let's make 20 to begin with. Craft, because our base has to get bigger. And that guy tore us up. He really did. We had no stamina. And then he came at us like he meant it. That was a bad situation. A very bad situation. Oh, there's a wolf and a zombie over there fighting. Right hand side. That's interesting, right? You know what? We need to spend our points too. Let's see if we can get another one. We'll do that tonight too. I won't let you guys go until we've at least done that. Oh, the wolf won. That's the reason why I don't mess with the wolves. Not this early. You get a gun, and from far away, and then you can mess with wolves. But up close with a melee weapon, unless you got good armor, no way. Alright, well, we are going to allocate our skill points, and then we're going to call it good. Let's go down to Lucky Looter, and this one says level 5, so let's put the level 5, and we'll bring that right up there. You know that that's going to be level 7, so we're going to have 2 to put here, and then we'll put one there, and we'll be good to go. Alright, and then probably the next thing we'll do is Treasure Hunter, maybe? We need to get some into salvage operations at some point, but we're not ready for that. We're going to go into Master Chef, Miner 69er, Mother Lode, Sexual Tyrannosaurus. Actually, this one's probably going to have to come pretty soon. That might actually be right after Lucky Looter. I don't usually do a lot in here, but I'll put a point into Healing Factor, a point into Iron Gut, and a point into Cardio. Pretty quick. I hear that. Hope you didn't hear me. Let's see, sometimes I don't know if I'm going to go Archery, Gunslinger, Deep Cuts. I like to go into this, but in that area I don't usually come down into here. Light Armor is definitely a good thing to get if you're going to put points in here. You've got some extra ones to throw around. I love to go into Robotics Inventor, and but a lot of times I'm lucky enough to just find the right stuff in higher levels, right? Better Barter is definitely something to go into, and then of course Advanced Engineering and Grease Monkey. This Advanced Engineering will give you, all of your tables that you need for crafting stuff, and then Grease Monkey gets you into vehicles. And I'd rather build a vehicle than buy one unless I am just swimming in dukes, because they are expensive. Where's this dog at? I heard him whine too. It's not coming up. It sucks not having any. There he is, right there. Yep. Let's see what happens. Maybe we'll die. Maybe he'll fit through this thing. No, such luck. Tell you what would be nice if we got some meat, some fat, some bones off this guy. Yeah, come on, come on, come on. We got him. Alright. We've done some recovering. Let's go down. Oh. Come on. Why are these things so complicated? There he is, right there. No? It's my stone arrow. Is he right there? God, the light sucks. I think he's right here. We're going to do this until we get a bone, then we're going to make a bone shiv. Alright, bone shiv, recipe, bone knife. Oh, I need 5? Okay. There we go. Let's do the bone shiv. Recipe, bone knife, craft. No, I think we have a bone knife somewhere, but it's easy enough to just craft one for right now. Okay. Alright, that was pretty easy. Can we do a campfire? Yeah, we're gonna have to have one of those. Let's have a torch. Do we have cloth? We don't have any cloth. We need cloth for a torch, so we can get rid of that, that. Alright, put that down. Actually, I don't want to put that down right there. I want to put it on a wood frame block. Craft. Put this here for a second. Another one just to be on the safe side. Okay. I don't see that wolf over there by any chance. Oh, but there's a zombie. Yeah, that wolf would have attacked that zombie if he was over there. Anywhere nearby. Let us cook a little meat. Left behind. That's okay though. Recipes. Charred meat. There we go. We're going to need about a minute's worth of wood. So we'll give it 2, and then we're going to cook it. We're only going to get 4 pieces of meat off this thing. Because reasons. Is there anything else we can accomplish tonight? I can make a sleeping bag, can't I? Recipes. Bedroll. Yep. Craft. Get rid of that. Put this back down. Bring you back down. I'm going to get rid of half these rocks. Place the bedroll down. It's fine. Okay. We need 2 of those, right? Use. Gave us 10, I believe. Is that right? 10? Yeah, I think so. Boom, one more. Boom, one more. And now we're going to turn it off. There's a little bit of fuel in there. Save it. It's not much. I believe it's like 30 seconds of fuel. But I want to get us all healed up. And eating heals us. 1, 0, use. Yeah, we're good enough. We're going to hold on to that. We're going to drink some more. We left, I think, some water behind, didn't we? So I'm going to use that. Alright, let's just conserve energy for the next couple of hours. We're going to leave everything exactly how it is. I will see y'all tomorrow. Yep. Have a good one. And please consider hitting that like button, and sharing my content. I'm trying to build a channel. Wait, whoa. More meat? I think so. Oh, he went below his feet. Well, he is right there still. I think I'm just too low. I'm so far away. Oh, gosh. Is it all my arrows on this guy? See, some of them go low, and then some of them go high. Three arrows left. Nope, no such luck. Can I get his attention? Oh, there's a zombie lady over there. Well, until I can make a better bow. Yeah, I don't think I can make one. Nope, I can make level 1. I mean a better one. I can make a level 1. And that's it. That is it. I got 30 more minutes of daylight. I'm just going to hang out here. And I will see y'all tomorrow. Please do consider hitting that like button. I am trying to build a channel here. Share my content. And I will talk to y'all next time.